Hello everybody, thanks for watching our latest review video on the brand new Evolis Primacy 2 ID card printer. If you're familiar with Evolis, this new machine has been built on the back of its predecessor, the Bulletproof Primacy printer, which has been one of the UK's best-selling card printers for many years. We've put this review video together to give you a more in-depth look at what the new printer has to offer and to help you decide if it's the right fit for your requirements. Let's start with the basics. So the Primacy 2 is a versatile high-performance printer built on the success of its predecessor, the Bulletproof Primacy model. It's available as a single and dual-sided machine and now includes rewritable printing technology. We're seeing more and more interest in rewritable technology from organisations looking to print and issue visitor cards, so it's nice to see this come as standard on the Primacy 2. USB and Ethernet connections are standard, and if you need Wi-Fi printing, that's an optional upgrade. Next up is card quality. We've put the Primacy 2 to the test by printing various sample cards, and overall the feedback from the team has been really impressive. On screen you can see a full colour sample card that we've printed. The printer handles complex designs really well, and utilising the new high resolution printing mode and printing in 600 dpi, the end result is a really high quality card. Expect the best looking cards you've ever printed and ones that will last. Now, let's look at print speeds. With the Primacy 2, you can opt to print in a standard or fast mode. Dependent on your ribbon selection, you can print anywhere between 170 to 280 full colour cards per hour. Next up is security. We often see that printers are left unattended throughout the day, or they're housed in open reception areas. So it's great to see features on the Primacy 2 ensuring both the printer and your data is kept secure at all times. Up first is Connect Clips. Now Connect Clips is a feature that will instantly remove the data from used printer ribbons, as you can see on screen. It's a feature we're seeing become standard across all new printers. Next is digital erasing. This one will keep any network managers and IT teams watching very happy. The data you send to the printer is instantly deleted once used. And lastly is the mechanical key lock option. Access to the interior of the machine and the card feeder is only accessible via lock and key, meaning all components that could be stolen are 100% protected. Evolis have really stepped the game up here with security to meet the demands of the modern workplace. Finally, the ease of use. This machine has been designed to make card printing as easy as possible. Setup, card issuance and day-to-day tasks such as ribbon and cleaning changes can be completed in minutes, meaning minimal downtime and increased productivity. Now it's time for our verdict. Based on our in-house tests, we're awarding the Primacy 2 5 stars out of 5. It excels in card quality, security options, print speeds and a user-friendly interface that delivers a truly exceptional printing experience. We're expecting big things from this machine, and we can quickly see it becoming one of our best-selling card printers in 2022 and beyond. Thanks for watching, and if you need any further help or information regarding the Primacy 2, feel free to reach out to a member of our team.